Simple Network Management Protocol (SNMP) is an Internet standard protocol for collecting and organizing information about managed devices on IP networks and for modifying that information to change device behavior. Devices that typically support SNMP include cable modems, routers, switches, servers, workstations, printers, and more. SNMP is widely used in network management for network monitoring. SNMP exposes management data in the form of variables on the managed systems organized in a Managed Information Base (MIB), which describe the system status and the configuration. These variables can then be remotely queried and, in some circumstances, manipulated by managing applications. SNMP process consists of some steps. The first step that we are gonna take a look is GET request. GET request is used to get the value of a specific MIB, and that is a manager to agent message. The second thing is the GET response message. Get response is used to retrieve the next instance value of the MIB variable. And then the third is the set request. Set request is used to change the value of a variable or list of variables. Let's go ahead with the agent to manager message, which are the GET response and the trap. GET response is the received notification message from agent to manager, and trap allows an agent to notify manager of important events via an unsolicited SNMP message. We have three types of the SNMP. SNMP version 1 is the initial implementation of the SNMP protocol. SNMP version 2 revises version 1 and includes improvements in the areas of performance, security, and confidentiality. And SNMP version 3 primarily adds the security and the remote configuration enhancements to the SNMP. Let's go ahead with the SNMP community string term. The SNMP community string is like a user ID or password that allows access to a router's or other devices' statistics. If the community string is correct, the device responds with the requested information. If the community string is not correct, the device simply discards the request and does not respond it. SNMP community string is used in SNMP version 1 and the SNMP version 2. And we have two types of the SNMP community strings. The first thing is the read-only. That means you can access the MIB, but you cannot make any change. The second type is the read-write. That means you can access and modify the MIB. And to configure the SNMP version 3, what we are doing is we are just defining an access list in here. As you can see, IP access list standard and the access list name, and we are defining the IP address that we are gonna permit. Then we are using the SNMP server commands, SNMP server view, just monitor, ISO included, and we are defining an administrator group, and we are defining the rights of that group, as you can see in here, and then we are defining a single user in here, as you can see in here. To verify the SNMP version 3 configuration, we can use the show SNMP group command.